Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to review a USB LAN. Yes, it's this gadget over here that you can see. And you're gonna say, what is this for? Well, this is a USB LAN. This is when you wanna install, this is actually used when you don't have the drivers of the internet. Let's say you have no internet in your computer, in your laptop, and you don't have the drivers either. So it's very difficult to get internet connection if you don't have the drivers of your laptop or your computer. Well, this gadget will help you get the connection you need, get internet access, because it has drivers, it has a CD included, which will allow you to install this gadget, and then you'll be able to plug your Ethernet cable, and then you'll be able to get back your connection. It's simple. So let's review this. Today we want to review this gadget over here. Is the USB adapter. It's an Ethernet adapter. So one end, it's a USB. It looks like a USB key, just like a regular USB key. It's actually about the same size. I actually have a USB right here handy so you can compare both of them. This is my USB and this is the adapter. It's about the same size, but this is not a USB key. What this is a USB LAN adapter. So this will allow you to have access to the internet. I've used it many times in the past when I was working as a technician, and I had to install the Windows operating system. Many times what happened is that the laptop was missing the drivers, or the computer was missing the drivers. And without the network driver, it's very difficult to access to the internet because you don't have the drivers. So what do? Well, this gadget, it's gonna help you solve that issue. Very simple. Like I said, looks like a USB key. You plug this on your USB port, one of your USB port, and this side over here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug your Ethernet cable, just your regular internet cable, the yellow cord or the blue cord. You're gonna plug it right here, and this comes with a CD, so which is the drivers for this particular gadget. So you put this CD on your CD tray, and then you run it, you install it, and then you're gonna be ready to go. So this is very handy, and it's really not expensive gadget. I'm gonna leave you the link so you can get this gadget if you want it, and it's gonna be very useful to whenever you want to solve your internet issues, your internet connection issues. This is a good way to solve it. Another way to, let's say example, you have a computer or you have a laptop and you don't have internet connection. Now you don't know what's going on. Might be your software that has an issue, might be your system that has an issue, and you don't really know. So what you do, you get this gadget, you plug it, you install it, and then you plug the cable on this side, and then you'll find out if this gadget connects to the internet. It means you probably have either a driver problem, maybe you have a faulty Ethernet adapter inside your laptop or inside your computer. So you're gonna be able to troubleshoot. So get one of these if you are experiencing any internet connection issue. So I just encountered a problem where I was not able to access the internet because I was missing a driver on this particular machine, and thanks to the Ethernet adapter I was able to fix the issue. Check it out. Here, as you can see, I'm missing the Ethernet controller. If you see where it says other devices, I'm missing the controller. The internet device is not, the driver is not installed. So this is why you see the yellow, you see that little yellow mark over here. This is what it means. I don't have internet. So I had an X over here, but now I have internet access. It's working. Why is working? It's because I was able to install this one over here, the USB fast Ethernet adapter. It's the little gadget that I mentioned to you. Look over here. There you go. So it's installed on the back of my computer. Therefore, I was able to fix my internet issue. I hope you like this review. I'm gonna make the installation on my laptop so you can see how it operates. All right, so stay tuned. Okay, so once you insert the CD into your CD tray, this is how it's gonna look like. So you have all the drivers over here, and then you're gonna look for the one for your operating system. As you can see here, Windows 8, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows XP. I believe since I'm running on Windows 10, it should work the Windows 8. Let me give it a try. Okay, those are all the drivers. So that's when you want to install it manually. You can go to the device manager and then you can install it manually. Let me just look into this other one. This one as well, you have it over here. You have Macintosh, you have Linux driver. This is actually good because I have a Macintosh, so I can see that you can actually install it on a Macintosh. So as well, you have the drivers over here. This is when you want to install it manually. I want to see if we can install it automatically directly. Let me try this one here. Windows XP, Windows, okay, I think this one. Yeah, no, they only include the drivers, so which means you're gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to install it manually. Yeah, there's no setup file in order to run this. So in order to install it, you would need to go into control panel. Many ways to go there, but you go to control panel. Once you are in control panel, you can go into your system, and then we're gonna look here where it says system, and we're gonna go into the device manager. Once you are in your device manager, you should see the adapter on the list. Now it's refreshing. Okay, you should see it somewhere here on the list. Let me go and check it out. Usually it should be displayed on the network adapters over here. You see over here USB Ethernet adapter. Okay, and then you have driver, and you can say update the driver, and you can search automatically. Let's go in here or press automatically, see if we can find it. If not, we're gonna have to choose the other option and then look into the folder or the path. It says it's already installed, so I would need to do a test to see if it's really installed by connecting a wire and see if it's connected. Alright, so that's the way you do it. If not, the other way, you go here, update driver, and then you browse. From here you can locate the folder where you see over here. This is the DVD, and then you can locate the folder. Let's say Windows, yeah, this one here, the version 64-bit, and then go next, and then it's gonna tell you, okay, it says that it's already installed, so it should be working. So that's the way you use this little gadget. Alright, I'm gonna leave it on the description in case you are stuck. I'm gonna leave you on the description. If ever you're stuck with your internet connection, you can use this little gadget.